That one looked like a planet.
The coolest part, it wasn't allowed to. Pieces by piece. Shit, Gabby always says, shut up. Gabby! After this, we're gonna play Star Wars, so we're gonna put it on live.
A live one.
You know what?
I think I'm gonna start a YouTube channel.
I am.
I am gonna start a YouTube channel. I think this is gonna be
I'm
right.
gonna go live.
Well, oh, no wonder I was covering the camera. I was covering the camera. No wonder it wasn't filming. Oh, good.
I'm lying.
I'm in love with this sword, even though it's just plastic.
Yeah, which will break you.
Those be with you. No. No. No, it's this.
I'm online, and no one's watching. That's so sad.
Well, at least if you mess up, no one will hear you. Okay, there's someone screaming. Like, you know those things that repeat musically? The ones that you, like, basically take a picture and it, like, repeats. That, you should do that with the fireworks. That'd be cool.
Like that? just do that you ruin my spot.
It's wrong spot.
Peace back.
I'm like, I literally said if somebody parks in front of us, they're gonna ruin our dreams. I've been holding this for 6 minutes, 10 seconds. I've been holding this for 6 minutes, 10 seconds.
That thing is gonna die.
It's at 42%. Yeah?
I bet you someone isn't injured because the fireworks. All I hear is you can totally tell someone got injured.
Why, is there somebody yelling? The ambulance?
Yes.
In this show, I don't think so. Carly, you're covering the fireworks.
I just want this to happen someday in the future. I want this to happen. If someone ever likes me, really, I wish they brought fireworks and I said, I don't like you, Carly. What if someone did that to you, Faye? And your dad saw? What would you do?